Okay, here we go for our official unboxing. So I was able to get a full set of the Mickey Family Cute Together keychains, which that is a mouthful of a name, by the way. Wow. But yeah, so I was able to get a full set of them, and I'm so excited to be able to unbox them all. And I had some ideas for how I want to show like them in relation to like outfits and stuff for the parks and for Disney cruises, so that'll come at a later date. And I'll probably be splitting these up for shorts too, so if you just want to see like certain characters, that'll be up later on. Okay, I think I'm gonna pick this one back here, because that's what my son likes to do, is he likes to pick from the back row. I check on a lot. This box. And I currently have Goofy, Donald, and Dale. So I'm happy with anything really, any of the extras. I plan on letting my son play with a whole lot more, etc. Okay. Not looking. No spoilers. I'm not even gonna feel it this time. Pluto! Oh my goodness, he's so cute! With his little tail. Oh, that's great. Oh my goodness, Pluto. Okay, I'm gonna just put him right here for now. Yeah, you can tell we're big like classic Disney fans. I even have an original Fantasia poster. I'll have to do a tour of all my original stuff. Okay. Second box. So I'm hoping for, I bet this is Minnie. I'm never right about those things though, so we will see. I'm terrible at these. I think I'm really wrong. Oh. Goofy! I already have Goofy. I also forgot to show the cards, so there's that. But Pluto and Goofy coming together is so cute. I think this is like in order now because of that. Like, ooh. Maybe it's not. Where's the card? Oh, there it is. Here's the card for Goofy. And then here's the card for Pluto. So cute. They are cute together, that is true. Okay, back of the pack still. There we go. So yeah, my idea is to randomly draw. Oh my gosh, I saw a little bit. Oh, it's Minnie! Okay, I gotta look at this one for a little bit because, oh my gosh. People were so right. They were like, oh my goodness, they look like the classic characters from like, I guess the 70s, I guess. She needs to be fluffed out a little bit. She was stuck in that box a little too long. Yeah. I love how asymmetrical her polka dots are on her bow. It just gives it a little more classic life. So cute. Let me stop saying that. Here we go. Okay, next one. Let's hope it's Mickey. You know, Mickey and Minnie, pretty cute together. Oh, and here's the card. Yep. Boxes. I literally didn't have this to be. Oh, it's Chip! Finally! Look at him! I love how cute these little guys are, and they're kind of a little more subtle than like this on a bag, you know? I love it. Cute. And then here's his card. They really do. They look like classic toys that you'd find in the 70s, 60s, and 70s. Okay, the sign is getting kind of screwed up. Go, let's see. I doubt I'm gonna get a secret. Yeah, that'd be fun. Oh my goodness, the pile over here is crazy. Yeah. Oh, Mickey! Hey, Mickey! There he is. It all started with a mouse. Yes, it did, for sure. Let's do Minnie and Mickey. Okay. Yep, that wins. Where's the card? Goodness, I do not want to throw away any of these cards. Okay. Next up, we're still missing my ducks. So, and Dale. So I need Dale, or a duck. I need a duck or I need Dale. Oh, hey Dale. We've been missing you. I'm glad neither of their ears were backwards. I saw a video where a creator got ears that were backwards on theirs, and I was like, oh, that would make me so sad. Especially because these are definitely collectibles to me that my kids will play with forever, and then their kids will probably play with. There we go. Yeah, I play with collectibles, but I've had some forever, so that's okay. That's my dog. Okay, let's see. So these should be the duckies. Let's get Donald and Daisy. I still have not gotten to see Daisy in person. Watch me just massacre these boxes. It's fine. Everything's fine. Oh, that's big. Oh, my second Donald. I'm gonna have to see which one speaks to me and which one is more my son's vibe. I love Donald. Yes. I also love Donald because like he's so grouchy and grumpy in his characterization on the cartoons and stuff, but like he still has so many people who love him, and having that kind of representation, I love it so much. So I really hope this is Daisy. I don't want a secret at this point because I want the full set of classics. Like, if I hadn't gotten Donald, I would have been fine with a secret, but now I'm like, man, I just hope this is Daisy. Yes! And here's Daisy. Here she is in all her glory. My goodness, she was like giving up. Let me puff her out, move her hand. The hands do kind of move. Yeah. And then her little feetsies. Fluff out this little, there we go. So cute. And this big pink bow. Oh, I love it. Okay, and then her card is right here. So there we go. That is the full collection of the Mickey family Cute Together keychains. And now I'm going to take these and put them in a little box and then put some cute Disney-bound outfits together that you can wear on like cruise ships, if you want to go on Disney cruises, because that's what we do a lot, or go to the parks, anything like that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed seeing all these little guys. Give you one last look. Okay, one last look. Chip and Dale, Donald and Daisy, Minnie and Mickey, and then Goofy and Pluto. They're so cute.